Kudos granola snack.
Hey.
Hi. This is Donovan.
Who?
Donovan, how are you doing tonight?
Who's Donovan?
Oh, I talked to you on the chat.
You talked to me?
Mm-hmm. Are you?
I don't remember a Donovan.
Yeah, it was a couple of weeks ago. I saved your number. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
I made myself a cocktail.
Oh, yeah.
It's a salty dog.
A salty dog?
Mm-hmm. I'm eating a kudos with it.
A what?
A kudos granola snack.
Oh.
So did you get that chicken thing to work out? I called you. We talked about that yesterday.
Not to me, you didn't.
Well, maybe it was another guy that was on the line. It might have been last week. I've had a couple of cocktails, you know.
Please leave your message for
Dale.
Hi, I think we got disconnected by mistake. It's Donovan. I talked to you the other day. I just was trying to get back a hold of you. It's kind of important. Well, to me. I mean, I really want to fancy you. So, my number's 928. I just want to get to know you. It's Donovan. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. I will try to find out what makes you tick.
The end.